on a shelf under my desk. Anyway, this is an unbagging of my bargain bead box, which doesn't come in a box. Yes, I resubscribed, and I was surprised because this is the bag they used to come in, or usually do. So I was looking for my little teal bag, but I got this beautiful metallic blue bag today instead. So let us see what's in here. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. And it's actually a little bit bigger bag, but honestly it felt lighter to me for some reason. Oh wow. Okay, so it says April's theme is royalty. It's twice the decadence this month with 2 full strands of gemstone beads and 2 sparkling pendants, 1 each in regal red and beautiful blue. Agate and garnet, garnet's my birthstone, rule this collection, while matching crystals and a set of gold finished pewter findings complement them both. Yeah, I wasn't hoping for gold, but we'll see. So on the reverse, they give you a key, and there's 15 items. So let us see. I like the 2 strands of gemstones idea. We'll see what they are. Gemstones. I can't talk. So you get a red bag. It's definitely gold, which is not my first color choice, but that's okay. And we'll take them out, see if we can get them in order real quick. Ooh, I do like that pendant. Well, I'm going to go out of order. 13. You know what? Let me put you on pause. I'll be right back after I get them sorted. I'm back. Look at the prettiness. These are definitely like gemstone colors. So let's see what we have. Item 1 is a 22 by 14 red rhinestone link. And it's this very pretty blingy link. And I do like that, actually. Prefer it in silver, but anyway. Then we have 20-piece 7mm flat round scroll work spacer beads. These all have an asterisk that say metal used is a lead-free pewter and zinc alloy. So they are gold tone. And let's see if these have a... Okay. They're really pretty. They have a hole running through them. I don't know. There we go. So that's what those are, and you get 20 of those. They're pretty, actually. And then, ooh, 6-piece, 23 by 27mm 3-hole link components, which look like this. Nope, you're not going to see that. That. So very pretty. Would be a nice pair of earrings, or you could put it like this, I guess, and have earrings or a necklace drop or something. So those are pretty, and you get 6 of those. Then 40-piece 8 by 5mm half metallic Chinese crystal rondelle beads, which are pretty. They're like a navy blue with a gold finish on them, dark navy blue. So they're different. I will use them sometime. Number 5 is a 100-piece, 100+ piece strand 4mm Chinese crystal bicone beads. Yeah, maybe I'd use them. I use them more as spacers. I don't think I'd use them for, I wouldn't use them for bead weaving because they're too inconsistent, but they do have a lot of sparkle to them. So that's those. I definitely prefer Swarovski bicones over any of the other ones. Okay, number 6 is 98-piece strand, 6 by 4mm half metallic Chinese crystal rondelle beads. Doesn't say a color on these either, but these are like a garnet color with gold. Very pretty. So where these were like a navy blue with gold, these are like a dark red. Actually, these are pretty. And these are a little bit smaller than the other ones. The other ones had 40 in the pack, and these have 100 plus. No, I'm sorry, 98 piece. Okay, number 7 looks like garnet. Yep, 16-inch strand, 4mm garnet round gemstone beads, which look like those. They're very dark red, very, very dark red, which some garnet is. And my birthstone is garnet, but I never liked wearing garnet earrings unless it was the pinkish red, because, or had a lot of metal with it, because my hair's so dark they just didn't show up. But I love garnet rings and things. Okay, number 8 is 14.5-inch strand, 6mm faceted dragon veins agate gemstone beads. These I really like. And look at them sparkle. And those are a gemstone. They're agate. Now they're dyed, I'm sure. Dragon's vein. Interesting. Yeah, I can see it has some little blue veins through some of the almost clear agates. Really pretty. I like those. I like those a lot. And number 9 is 3 sets of fancy dotted toggle clasps. Okay, let me see here. They're nice big toggle clasps too. So those are pretty. Those are pretty. Uh-oh, there went one. Hang on. Now, Miss Judy, if you're watching, Miss Judy Evans Parker, yeah, we're going to have to do something with this together, girl. Okay, number 10 is 100 plus piece strand, 4mm Chinese crystal bicone beads, and they're in the red this time. And they're very sparkly. See them sparkle? Okay, 1 pair of brass rhinestone ear studs, gold finish. Ooh. Ooh. I like those. If I can hold them for you. Aren't they pretty? And they have a little piece of crystal right in the middle. Beautiful. Those I like a lot. Those belong to Deb. Okay, number 12 is 1. Oops, did I go out of order? Something got mixed up. Yeah, they mixed up 14 and 12. Yes, they did. Okay, well, 12 is supposed to be 1 meter, 5mm steel jewelry chain, gold finish, very pretty chain. Let's see if you can see what the link looks like. That's what the link looks like. Oops, let me put that in the right bag. They were, they ran late this month. They said some of their vendor, I guess overseas, hadn't provided the beads on time or something, but they got it out as soon as they could. So it was actually probably about 3 or 4 days late, and I just had an escaped bead. Let me put that back. Okay, so while I have this out, this is number 14. I think it's a little bigger than the other one. Yeah, 33mm rhinestone teardrop pendant. And it's in a really dark blue. Beautiful. Definitely royalty. This is what the back looks like. Oh, it needs to be re-put in. Okay, that's not so good. That's not so good. I will have to figure that out. Might need some E6000 on the back there. Okay, we'll put that back in the bag. Very pretty. Just, Okay, number 13, 32.5mm rhinestone triangle pendant. Let's see, hopefully this one won't pop out on me. This looks a little better put in. And that is in the garnet color, but it's rhinestone. Bling bling. And that's what the back looks like. And one more is 40 piece 6mm bead caps. I love bead caps. All kinds of bead caps. And these, I'm trying to turn them over so you can see them. Look like that. Hopefully they have a little texture to them. Very pretty. And the 6mm I use, I think I mentioned this before, on my larger beads even. You know, like even 10mm beads, just to add a little pop of bling metal at the top. Okay guys, that's it. That is my bargain bead box for the month of April. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm not generally a gold girl. I do like some of the pieces in here. I especially like these little spacers. I really like this link. I wish I had 2 of those. I like these little bead caps. I like the gemstones because I'm a gemstone girl. I pretty much like it all. I don't know. I'm not crazy about these link things, but I can use them. I love these ear studs. I love them. Now, the only thing is they didn't give any back, so you have to have your own backs for them. But that's okay. Okay, guys, I will let you go. Oh, I wanted to share one other thing, but I didn't bring it up. Okay, never mind. I'll talk to you soon. At some point during the month of May, April and May, I will try and make some things with this. I'll challenge myself to use some of this anyway, okay? And I'll share what I have and put it as what I made with the April bargain bead box. Alrighty? Take care. Hugs, love, and peace. Thanks for watching.